all the fire that we had got me damn burnt. And then you ask me why your name is on my damn verse. Yeah, I'm numb, but you treat me like the damn worst. I know I'm dumb, but I believe you was a damn curse. Said be a man, but I ain't know I wasn't allowed to hurt. But showing feelings means I'm soft and that low is my worth. You can't be faithful, all the shit I did you don't deserve. Keep all your energy, I'm last when you always first. Like, oh, the bitches always on my fucking phone. For that bitch and all her friends on my DMs. I ain't tripping, but I'm looking for some revenge. Love me shit, but I ain't know I could feel it. Try to fix it, but I stay inside my feelings. I've been laying in my bed, I feel defeated. And you put all of this pain for no reason. Got them horns in your head like a demon. I just want you and I. Told them I won't love no hoe if it's just one night. Tell the world that I need you to come make it right. Cause you don't want me now, but can you decide? Yeah.
Late at night, I'm sat here looking through our messages. Know it's over, but I really cannot rest with it. I just wanna be around you, baby. All these other girls don't faze me like you do. Look at me, baby, focus. You still got love for me, don't show. I don't have a heart, it was stolen. Needed you most and you folded, yeah. I've been sick of all these lies and shit. Lie to me, baby, you my medicine, vitamins. Feel like you my remedy, no hiding it. If you need me, that I'm here, yeah. Only good vibes you did. I still think about you and I miss the taste and the feel of your lips. And I'll never let these hoes get in my head. Cause I know deep down that you don't want for me. And you know that I've been hurting since you left. Cause all I ever wanted was you to stay.